Hello everyone, it's Luna from Perfect Homes, and today I'm here at Vararom Charoenmuang and I'll be showing you this beautiful house which has a total space of 190 square meters and 81 square watt, 3 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms. Now let's get started. Here is the living area. Once you walk in, you see this beautiful couch and this big gorgeous TV. It is partly furnished, so you still have to add some decorations and furniture as you wish. So here would be a good place for a dining area. And let me show you the kitchen. The kitchen comes with the fridge over here, the shelves, the laundry, the sink. Let me show you the first bathroom. Once you walk in, you have again this big gorgeous sink, the toilet, and the shower area. Now let's go check out the second floor. And this is the master bedroom. Once you walk in, you have this big bed, you have this balcony. You can add furniture and decorate it as you wish. Now, let's check out the bathroom. The bathroom here is quite spacious. You have this really big sink, really nice. The toilet and the shower area. So this is the second bedroom. Once you walk in, you have this cute small bed. You have this desk for homework or for work, and here's the big cute closet. And this is the second bathroom. Once you walk in, you have this spacious shower area, big sink, and the toilet. And here is the lovely park of the compound. You can walk your dogs here or have a walk with your family and friends here. Really nice, surrounded by nature. And here is the fitness club. It's all equipped, all you need cardio and weights. And this is the garden right next to the house. It is very nice. You can make barbecue or sitting area over here. Anyways, we're done for today. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have any questions or if you'd like to get more information, please leave us a comment or click at the link below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share this video. I'll see you next time. Bye!